is created by Mr. Ivor and Mr. Rao. We'll work through every question, show the diagrams, and explain each answer step by step. Question 1. A jug contains 3/4 of a liter of juice. How much juice is in 2 such jugs? Let's visualize 2 jugs. Add the amounts. 3/4 plus 3/4 equals 6/4. 6/4 simplifies to 3/2, which is 1.5 liters. So the correct option is C. Question 2. The perimeter of a rectangle with length 9 centimeters and width 4 centimeters. Perimeter equals 2 times the sum of length and width. 2 times the quantity 9 plus 4 equals 26 centimeters. So the answer is B. Question 3. Simplify the fraction 45 over 60. The greatest common factor is 15. Divide top and bottom by 15 to get 3/4. So the correct option is A. Extended response. Question 4. If the radius of a circle is 6.2 centimeters, find the diameter. Diameter equals 2 times the radius. So diameter equals 2 times 6.2, which is 12.4 centimeters. Question 5. The other angles of a triangle are 48 degrees and 67 degrees. In any triangle, the angles add to 180 degrees. So the missing angle equals 180 minus 48 minus 67, which is 65 degrees. Question 6. Match each item. We will match equivalent fraction of 12 over 18, simplest form of 5 over 20, and decimal form of 1/4. The matches are 2/3, 1/4, and 0.25 respectively. Question 7. A circular field has radius 7 meters. The circumference formula is 2 pi r. Using pi equals 22 over 7 gives 2 times 22 over 7 times 7 equals 44 meters. Question 8. Draw the lines of symmetry of an equilateral triangle and state how many there are. There are 3 lines of symmetry, each from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Question 9. In a class, 3/8 play chess, 1/4 play volleyball, and the rest play basketball. 1/4 is 2/8, so the remainder is 1 minus 5/8, which equals 3/8. Therefore, the fraction who play basketball is 3/8. Great work. Here is the full answer key. 1, 1.5 liters. 2, 26 centimeters. 3, 3/4. 4, 12.4 centimeters. 5, 65 degrees. 6, 8 to 2/3. B to 1/4. C to 0.25. 7, 44 meters. 8, 3 lines of symmetry. 9, 3/8. This review video was created by Mr. Ivor and Mr. Rao.